Hey, how are y'all doing today? My name is Smokey, and welcome back to another video. Today's video is actually something small, but it is something new that we have for the car. So as y'all know, the current setup is stainless power, long tube headers, with MBRP, so it's an MBRP muffler delete, and an MBRP X-pipe resonator delete. Now this is actually what was on the car when I bought it. I haven't touched the exhaust. The only thing that I've touched is literally just the headers itself. And you know, that's really all I've had done for the exhaust. My dream exhaust was to have the stainless power long tube headers that were high flow catted with the Corsa exhaust system. So what we have here is Corsa Sport Catback. I actually opted for the option to get some black tips. Here, I'll show you all these. Dude, look at these. It's black chrome and oh, dude, those things are so pretty. They're gonna look so good on the car. I'm just gonna do a small unboxing here. Let's go ahead, take a couple more things off, see what else we got in here. So these are the mufflers themselves. We got our other set of tips right here. Same thing, I'm not gonna take off the packaging, but y'all know those are just the black tips. I really like the black tips over the chrome tips. I just think they look so much better. And then we just got some of our mounting hardware right here. Just some of the clamps. Try to lift some of this up. And so right here we have our double helix X-pipe. This is going to give the car such a great tone in addition with those mufflers. So the reason I went ahead and went with the Corsa Sports instead of the Extremes is I think the Extremes would have been just a hair too much. I think that would have just been way too raspy, and it would have really killed the tone with headers. Now, granted, Corsa Extremes on just a regular, just, you know, stock headers, everything, they sound phenomenal. With headers, in my opinion, they don't sound as good. I think it takes away from the tone a lot. So that's why I went ahead and got the Sports. Now, as y'all are seeing this video is going to be posted on Friday. This is when this video is going to drop. Actually, funny enough, that's when the new Fast and Furious trailer comes out. I'm really curious to see what y'all's opinions are on that. I know it's kind of hit and miss between people, whether or not they like the Fast and Furious movies. Even so, they've changed so much since the original ones, and I think probably my favorite one might be, it's either the first one or Tokyo Drift. And I know they've changed so much since then, but they're still really, really awesome to watch. And I still just can't wait to watch it. So I'm really curious to see what y'all are going to think of that trailer. But this video is going to go up on Friday. The next video that y'all are going to see, which is going to come out a week from today, will be next Friday. I'll have the exhaust on. I'm going to have tons of clips for y'all, so don't worry. I'm going to have a ton of videos for y'all to really hear what this thing is going to sound like. This thing is going to sound so good. The tone is going to be so great. I'm super, super, super excited for it. But I'm getting these installed. I got to drop it off on Monday. So Monday the 13th, and hopefully I can pick it up on Tuesday the 14th. That is, right now, that's the plan. And actually, this will help me a little bit with making power. When I had originally bought my headers, one of the things that I didn't know was that the pipes, since the previous owner before me did not go ahead and get the full exhaust system, they did it piece by piece. It wasn't 3 inches all the way back. Instead, it was actually I think it was like 2 3/4, and then it came down to 2.5. So that hurt me a little bit with airflow and trying to make power. But this is a full 3-inch system. We should be good to go from there. So I'm hoping, I mean, I'm probably not going to do another dyno pull, because that's like $100. I don't really find it's worth it just after throwing on a catback. I'll maybe gain 3 horsepower, if, 3 to 5 horsepower, if that is. It's going to be very, very, very insignificant. I probably won't even feel it, but hopefully that would put us around like that 470 on the Boostain tune. The last video that I did with the car content, which was the video that I showcased after I did the intake and the headers on my car, that video is doing phenomenal, absolutely amazing. We are, as of right now, I think we're just shy of like 700 views, so we're like right there, right next to 1K territory. If we could get that video to 1K, that would be absolutely amazing. I have such a great community. I love y'all so, so, so very much. I really appreciate, really appreciate y'all sticking with me through everything. But again, I just want to take the time at the end of this video to thank y'all so very much for taking the time out of your day to spend some time with me. It means more to me than y'all will ever know. So with that being said, I will see y'all again next Friday with the car, with the new exhaust on it. I'm so pumped. I'm so excited. I can't wait. I will see y'all on the next one. Smokey out.